for today's video, mag-i-staycation nga tayo dito sa Charm Residences. One of the condominium of SMBC. Ang bilis lang ng elevator. Kasi may client ako tomorrow. So, nag-book na lang ako dito ng room para hindi ako malate kasi 9 AM. Eh, medyo traffic yung daanan dun sa Makati. Mangali na kayo! May digital lock na siya. And this is the kitchen area. As you can see, may mga basic utensils na kailangan. Exhaust. Very important yan sa staycation, yung malinis. Check natin kung may mga utensils. Ayan, may mga lutuan din dito. Ayan. May lalagyan ng shoes. And this is the bedroom one. So this one is a bedroom one. Dito niya nilagay yung TV. Saka may ilaw din. Ayan yung kanyang refrigerator. And this is the living area. Mabango din na. Simple lang. So, ayan. May design. Ito naman yung bedroom area. Very cozy and meron din siyang bintana. And tignan natin yung view niya dito. Wow! Kaya binook ko to kasi overlooking siya sa swimming pool. And meron siya ditong ventilation yan. So, i-open natin yung basic needs pag ipapa-staycation mo yung unit mo.
In Charm Residences, there will be future commercial space in front of the building for convenience. Do you want to have a unit here for staycation business? Contact us now at my Viber or WhatsApp that you've seen in my screen. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more real estate investing.